Are you making noises? You're making noises. What you doing? Hmm? Oh, you look angry. You gonna smile for me? You gonna smile for me? You're so cute. You're so cute. Give you these wee arms. Give you these wee arms. You're so cute. You're so cute. What noises are you making there, honey? Hmm? Get that tongue away. Get that tongue away. Okay, slow down. Silly man in the car. Drilling, darling. You're drilling. What was that? What was that? Oh god. Okay, that's what it was. It was sick. Oh no. Oh no. That means he no sleep sit for bed tonight. He's speaking, honey. He's speaking. He's speaking. Staring at my phone. I'll get you cleaned up, don't worry. And Mum's got a present tonight. A nice big blob of sick on the bed. Very nice. Very nice. Are you speaking, darling? Are you trying to speak? Look at these legs going. Okay, we're doing it a minute ago. What are you saying? What are you saying? Oi, don't kick me. Don't kick me. Can you me? You're so funny. You're so funny. Evie. Evie. Why? 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 Why are you spitting? Why are you spitting? Hello. You're slipping a wee bit, darling. You're slipping. I'm not amused. Aren't you cute? I love you. I love you. Oh, look at this face. Oh, darling. That's so rude. But it's so cute. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What's caught your eye? What's caught your eye? Tickle, 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 tickle. You're beautiful. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey. Say bye-bye. You guys say bye-bye. Hello, darling. Okay. Bye-bye.